Ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience? Meet the Black+Decker 262D51SD Convection Toaster Oven, a versatile and powerful appliance that's about to transform the way you cook and bake. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to handle everything from quick morning toast to elaborate family feasts. The advanced convection technology ensures even and rapid cooking, eliminating hot spots and delivering consistently perfect results every time. With its spacious interior, this oven comfortably fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, making it ideal for both small meals and larger gatherings. The intuitive digital controls make setting the temperature, time, and cooking modes a breeze, and the large LCD display clearly shows your selected settings. Featuring 8 preset cooking functions including bake, broil, toast, convection bake, and warm, it's designed to simplify your cooking process and give you the versatility to prepare a huge variety of dishes. The stainless steel exterior adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, and the removable crumb tray and non-stick interior make cleanup incredibly easy, saving you both time and frustration. From perfectly golden brown toast to juicy roasted chicken and crispy pizzas, the Black+Decker Convection Toaster Oven empowers you to create delicious and professional quality meals with ease and confidence. The built-in timer ensures your food will cook for the time you set, avoiding overcooking. It's not just a toaster oven, it's an upgrade to your entire cooking routine, designed to make your kitchen life easier, faster, and more enjoyable. The integrated timer helps ensure food isn't overcooked. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to explore more and make it yours. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more innovative kitchen solutions that will change your kitchen experience forever.